Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own cream base. If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and turn on the notification bell. These are ingredients today. I have 2 cups of water, 250 ml each, that is 500 ml of water. I have stearic acid, I have wax, and then I have my measuring cups and spoons. I also have cetyl alcohol, preservative, a mixture of oils and other oils as well. This is our preservative, phenoxyl ethanol, whitening glycerin, vitamin E oil that's almost finished, I need to restock on that one, and carrot oil, and I also have lavender oil. These oils, you can choose oils of your choice. And this is my fragrance. Remember to always mix in a plastic bowl. This is my recipe book. I will be sharing it with you guys in the description box. Those 3 oils, I will tell you what they'll be used for. So this is a standard recipe for me. It can be doubled and reduced. I will explain more. I'm just putting in my cetyl alcohol. I'm going to be putting in my wax and my stearic acid. These are our emulsifiers. Okay, this is what you call like the melting phase. These are the things that are going to make the water and oil come together to form a cream or a lotion. These emulsifiers are going to ensure that the oil does not separate from water. So I'm going to put this in the microwave. You can also do this over a double boiling method. Make sure you're using a very strong plastic container or a glass plate. I'm going to set this to 1 minute 30 seconds just to see how much melting it's going to give. As you can see, it's not really melted, so we're going to put it in for another 1 minute 30 seconds. I'm just going to be increasing the time gently to see how much melting this gets now. So as you can see, we still have a little bit of cetyl alcohol in there, so I'm going to put it for another 30 seconds. Now that is melting, I'm going to be talking to you guys about this base cream recipe. Okay, so this is a base cream. As you can see, we have wax, cetyl alcohol, stearic acid, and some oils are glycerin preservative. In this recipe, you're also going to have propylene glycol and your fragrance. Fragrance is an option. Okay, so this is my standard recipe, but I have tweaked this recipe today. In my standard recipe, it says 1 cup of wax, but today I use half cup of wax. I used 1/4 cup of cetyl alcohol. I used half cup of stearic acid, 30 ml of almond oil, 10 ml of vitamin E oil, 20 ml carrot oil, and lavender oil mixed together. That is 10 ml each. 15 ml of glycerin, 17.5 ml of preservative, 500 ml of water, guys. This recipe, like I said, you can double or triple or reduce, but this is the level you should be following. Okay, I also have 10 ml of propylene glycol and 5 ml of my flavoring or fragrance. You can also put coloring into this mix. My formulation today gave me approximately 600 grams of cream base. Make sure your emulsifiers are properly melted and as clear as water. If they're not properly melted, it's going to affect your formulation. So all you just did was the oil phase. Now we're moving on to the water phase. It is very important that your mixer is on and that you're putting in your water slowly as you're mixing. Don't pour in all your water and then mix. It's going to become very lumpy. As you can see, it's properly thickened. There's no separation of any sort. If for any reason you have a lumpy cream base, I have a video on how you can remedy that. Guys, it is very important that you mix and mix and mix, because it's very important that you mix your cream base. You also have the option of using a stick blender. If you use your hands, it's not going to work, to be honest. One very important thing, the water I used was already cold, because if you use regular distilled water, you might have to put this in the refrigerator. So I make sure the water was very cold before I did my mixing. That's why it thickened up immediately. Right now I'm just going on down to add my oils. After mixing, you don't put your oils in the melting phase. You put your oils after you mix your water and oil together, okay, so that it doesn't lose its effect in the cream base. Right now I'm going ahead to put my propylene glycol and my preservative. Usually the preservative and propylene glycol are the last things you add. Already I added my glycerin, everything already fits into it. Seeing as that is done, I'm going to go over to put in my fragrance. This is very optional. Some people don't like fragrance in their creams. You can choose not to. You can put coloring as well. Some people like to make their lotions green, blue, different colors. This is the point where you add it. As you can see, it's thick. You can decide to make this very runny like a lotion. You can add 1 cup of water to this, but because I'm going to be using it as a cream base to mix oils and other creams and lotions, I'm going to leave it exactly the way it is. This cream base is stored in a cool, dry place. You can take out of it to mix your face creams and all of that. Now if you want to make this cream very effective, you're going to add 4 bottles of Nature's Secret oil to it. Another oil you can add to this is the White Secret oil. You can add 2 bottles of White Secret oil. Has AHAs, it has propylene glycol, glycerin and vitamin E in it. So it's definitely going to be a very good oil to add to your cream base. Now this cream base, you can mix in any oil of your choice, knowing fully well that these are made with very pure organic ingredients, so it's going to be very good on your skin. The Nature's Secret oil also contains similar ingredients as the White Secret oil. It has propylene glycol as well, it has glycerin, it has vitamin E in it. It also has AHAs, BHAs, arbutin, salicylic acid, glycerin. It's actually a very good oil to use in this as well. The next oil for me or serum here is the BB Clear serum. This is another very good serum you can add to this. Because of the quantity of this, you can add 3 to 4 bottles of this as well to this serum. This is very concentrated, so I would say maybe apply 2 to 3. And it also contains similar ingredients as the White Secret. I'm going to put them side by side so you guys can see what the ingredients are. This also contains glycerin, propylene glycol, it has AHAs, it has vitamin E, vitamin C. They all have very similar ingredients, which most serums do have. They are all very fruity extract. They have lots of AHAs. This can be used for your cream base. For example, if you want to use 100 ml of cream, you can apply 1 bottle to 2 bottles because this is very natural and very mild on the skin. So to my opinion, if you're someone who is scared of using creams and all of that, you can take out your cream base and apply these serums into them. They all have similar ingredients, and AHAs and BHAs are very good for the skin. Propylene glycol is going to make sure that they absorb beautifully into your skin. If you're going to be using this to make a cream for yourself, don't forget to add some sunscreen. You can use zinc oxide, or you can also use some sunscreen, maybe the Neutrogena sunscreen. Just squeeze a 10 ml and put into your cream, and that is great. So this is how it is. It's very thick, and like I said, I'm going to take out of this and mix whatever it is I want to do. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.